it's Todd Ault. It's May 6th. It's my brother's birthday. Happy birthday to my brother.
Which one?
I think it's Brennan. Neil, I believe, is the first.
Oh, I didn't mean to call you out on that. Well, my fault.
Brennan, one's born on the 1st, one's born on the 6th. Happy birthday to both you guys.
Nice.
It's the 67th episode of Risk On. Here with Jason Bartholomew. Josh is in the house. He's online. And we got Nick and Brett with us.
And Skyla.
I'm going to get to you. Last but not least, Skyla's here. Looking pretty as ever.
We'll just get right to this eventually. Does that make sense? Get right to it eventually?
We got. It was a weird day today. Didn't you think it was weird?
Killed.
The Dow was parabolic.
Yeah.
The NASDAQ was down. Ooh. Then Apple kind of turned. Some names turned. We got long some U.S. concrete. We're up. Believe it or not, we are up in U.S. concrete today.
We got some cement going.
We got cement. Mixer. Naked continues to give shit. Damn it, man. Naked down to 53. Ammo, that's down.
Yeah, it was a weird day.
It was a bizarre day. Rocket Mortgage. Got a rocket right up the rear end on that one.
Yeah. I mean, the Dow was up 318, 34,548. S&P up 34, 4201. NASDAQ up 50. It didn't feel like any of that reflected in our portfolio.
Hey, Devon Wright.
It's his birthday, too.
It's his birthday, too.
Also, big day for silver and gold. Gold up $30.50 an ounce to $18.14. Silver's up 93 cents to $27.45. Copper set the all-time high, $4.61 right now.
Let me get this out of the way. I want to get it out of the way because this was like a wall-up day.
Yeah, it was bad.
NVOS down, SOS down, Canon down, KIQ down, CLBS down, POWW down, AEZS down, NAK down, NAKD down. Box down. Riot down, but up for us because we bought it at 32 and some change. So we're up right. We bought Riot at 32.60, down like $5. And then I'm short Tesla. And so Tesla was down, so it was up for us.
Yeah.
I wrote, for full disclosure, the Tesla May 7th, $647.50 calls. I wrote them for $5.10, and they are $2.77. I like to write things that. Excuse me, I wrote the puts. I like to write things where I can collect premium. Do you get that?
Yes.
Gotta get that right here, right? Put writing isn't for everyone.
That account.
Yeah, I wrote the puts there. You see? Money.
Yep.
They were 11 today, and now they're 2 and some change, 277. So made some money there. What do we buy today? What do we do today in the marketplace? Well, SYS is on a tear. I don't know anyone that filed the 13D against them.
SSY?
SSY, sorry. SSY. We, wow, what a day today.
Actually, we salvaged.
We salvaged this day.
We had a red day, but it could have been worse.
So let's talk about the market real quick. Let's cover that real quick, and then we'll get to some positions in U.S. concrete and a few other positions.
I covered everything except crypto. You missed it.
You what?
I already covered the market.
You covered it all?
Yeah, except crypto. We didn't talk
Was
about...
Was that an Alzheimer's moment or something for me?
Yeah, we talked about gold, silver, copper.
Yeah, I heard you.
But listen, we didn't talk about Bitcoin, who's been very volatile today. It's 55,978. Ethereum's 34.62. But all of the crypto tickers took a bloodbath today. You notice that?
Why is that?
Yeah, I'm not sure. We're having this diversion again. Canon, SOS was a great call. We didn't take all of the profit.
We actually made money off it. Believe it or not, at the 1 a.m. opening, we sold some at 440.
We sold some yesterday.
Also at 450.
What do we still have?
65,000.
65 at about 425, give or take?
I think it's right in line here.
Maybe 420.
What was interesting was we were we had a pretty big gain on 125,000 shares.
I was clicking buttons yesterday. I clicked the button for FCX.
I click button.
And I didn't click all the button for SOS.
I click button.
And now I'm sending out on SOS. Wish I would have sold it all. It's ridiculous. Why didn't I sell it all?
I don't know.
Hey, Albert Pujols is no longer an Angel for any of you that like baseball.
If you're an Angel fan, they let him go. Yeah, we got 65,000
At
and 430.
430. We're wet about 30 cents.
Down about 20 grand to actual total. You know, when you pay attention to the portfolio on a daily basis, we mark it every night, you and I.
Yeah.
If you only marked it once a quarter, which is what we should be doing, we wouldn't be having a heart attack every day.
It's fun, though.
Yeah, it is, for sure. Wow. So I saw that the Federal Reserve, as we go into this new segment, did you see this piece on the Federal Reserve, what they're saying?
And yeah, about the assets.
Yeah. Did you lose it? Because I didn't. I was on screen and then it was gone.
It was right up top on the red banner.
Huh.
Now it's gone. Here, go to the latest news. See it over there?
Where?
Well, I
The
have
latest news I have is on
refresh.
latest news I have is on Square getting hit pretty hard.
Go the other. Go. Yeah, there.
Oh, here we go.
Click.
Oh, come on! I'm learning how to do this here.
There we go.
Let's go through this. Can we put this up on the screen? Federal Reserve warns about potential for significant declines in asset prices as valuations climb. Rising asset prices are posing increased threats to the financial system, the Federal Reserve warned in a report Thursday. Fed Governor, I won't even try to say it. How do you say his name?
Wow. Oh, that's Brainerd. Lael Brainerd. Yeah. Brainerd.
Brainerd, he's got a big brain, said the situation bears watching and points up the importance of making sure the system has proper safeguards. I don't know what this means here. Asset prices may be vulnerable to significant declines should risk appetite fall, the central bank said. What do you take from this?
I think talking about like all the
they're
SPACs.
talking about equities right now.
Yeah,
investors.
SPACs.
Investors have snapped up equities, corporate bonds, and cryptocurrencies.
Yeah, okay.
They poured billions into blank check companies. SPACs. Market has mostly been brisk, traditional in IPOs.
That's true.
Fed Chairman Jerome Powell and others asked repeatedly about whether they're concerned about rising prices. Powell specifically has said that long-term interest rates stay low, the valuations are justified. However, the report notes there are dangers lurking in market sentiment changes. I agree with him.
Of course. No more, probably no more, more stimulus. No more.
What do you have that's really propping things up? Dogecoin.
Yeah.
Where's it at now?
Crazy stuff. Yeah, what's it at? 50 cents?
The reason why this is relevant is because it's pure speculation.
It is.
Into total crap.
Like he said, traditional like IPOs and stuff, they're slow.
It does make me nervous about asset prices.
I like commodities, though, and hard asset prices.
Sure.
I like that. 58 cents for Doge.
Yeah. I mean, I sold it a month ago for nothing.
I'm getting some data on IBIO, ticker IBIO. Just had a report on a COVID study. Successful COVID vaccine toxicology study results and announces next-gen COVID-19 vaccine program. IBIO is flying after hours.
Why is that?
It's looks like they moved to the next step here and producing a COVID vaccine.
But, I mean, how many vaccines are there going to be?
I don't know.
Do we need any more?
Maybe this is more. This is more of a booster. It looks like. It looks like they.
What a nice move on concrete.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, that was good.
We nailed that one. It didn't make sense. U.S. Concrete had earnings. They missed it by a penny. Revenue was strong. I listened to the earnings call. The CFO and the CEO were talking. They're like, hey, we missed 12 business days in Texas because of crazy power grid situation.
Let's go to the chart. So U.S. Concrete has 11 or 12 business days off because of what happened in Texas in the quarter, right?
They actually had Northeastern trouble, too, with weather.
Stock misses. They miss earnings by a penny, right?
Yeah, and it's the toughest weather. The first quarter is always tough for concrete. It's tough to pour nationwide. You can't have temperatures can't be like below 35 to pour concrete. So yeah.
And what happens to U.S. Concrete?
U.S. Concrete says
down 18.26% or 12%, but at one point it was even lower. I mean, at one point this thing was down to 51.
Yeah, we snatched it in the 53s. Right?
Yes, we did. We snatched it up when it started to rally a little bit. Here, you can see the little hook right here. I can't point that out, obviously. You see this little hook here, and we got long, and now we're long U.S. Concrete.
Mm-hmm.
Let's look at the 6 month on U.S. Concrete, up $18.
Nice. I like that. Look at that.
The 1 month, down 10. Year to date, up 14. 1 year, up 37. 5 year.
Okay. Well, I don't think.
What's the story there?
Well, this will be a play for infrastructure also. I don't know the story of this company, but I do
But
know.
why
that,
wallop it so hard?
Yeah, I know. You know, it's a low float considering the.
Is it?
Well, it's $1 billion market cap, and the float's 16 million. That's
It's
pretty.
been down there before, though.
Well, the 52-week range. Get this, $15 to $79.
Coming out of COVID.
Yeah, big time.
Let's go to ammo.
What are we doing with this thing? Did we we want to get rid of the rest of the count? The one side?
We didn't get rid of it yet. We're holding on to it. We have 578,000 shares. One account we're solid with 500. The other we're trimming.
I wouldn't be disappointed if we trimmed the 78,000. I know that's probably what you have in mind.
I don't know anyone's thoughts on this, but I think it's kind of, I don't know if it's run its course. They're going to update people on the 11th, right? But look at the 1 month it's down, the 5 day it's down, the 1 day it's down, the 6 month it's still up 449.
May 11th, right?
Year to date
Okay.
it's up 330. May 11th they're gonna update everyone. But this is
fair.
this is a decent pullback. I mean, it's not terrible.
No, we're still up a
Yeah,
buck.
we're still up a lot here.
That's fair.
Rocket. Anyone in the audience own any Rocket?
Wow, IBIO is hard to ignore right now
Why is that?
because the COVID vaccine stage, another step.
What price is
they
it?
report successful It's up after hours 39% to $1.92.
IBIO.
52-week range 96 cents to 7.45. Market cap 300 million. It's just interesting. It looks like they successful toxicology study results and announced next gen COVID-19 vaccine program. I mean,
Where does it go?
it's a good question. 27 million shares traded. Average volume 8 million. I mean, it was 745. Look at the daily. Wow.
So, do we need another vaccine?
I don't know. We need boosters.
They're talking about it. I guess that's the idea. If someone comes out with a better, but everyone and their mother's talking about these things now.
I wouldn't buy it up here. If I did, I'd just buy like 1,000 shares to watch it.
Riot. So what's the story, Jason? Why did Riot pull back so hard?
They all did. Did you
Why?
look at the...
In the last 5 days, Riot's down $7.31.
That makes no sense, really, because, well, it's fine for... The companies are enjoying a reduced difficulty for mining, roughly 10 to 12%.
Right.
In reduction for mining Bitcoin, that is. Really, nobody's mining Ethereum except SOS in a large scale. So...
Marathon's down, too. Mara.
Yeah. I'm looking at the crypto tickers.
Yeah.
And...
So we bought some today in 32.5. We actually bought it.
I mean, most of the
We
tickers...
literally bought it right here. Ugh.
We're
We
down
get lucky here, 32.5.
6 to 10%. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. That's the first time we've entered it in a while now.
You know, one of my favorite tickers, Canon, is struggling too. They just announced they closed the offering. SOS, obviously today was not good for them, but they will give their next earnings are going to be really good in my opinion. So we'll see.
Barrick Gold.
Yes.
Pull it up. So you wanted it at 2201.
Yeah, we didn't get any.
We don't own any for full disclosure.
We wanted some.
Hey, for full disclosure, by the way, let's go back. We're long Riot. We're long Rocket Mortgage. We're long U.S. Concrete. We're long Naked. We're long Ammo, just to be clear with everyone. We don't own Barrick Gold. We wanted to buy some. What's the story here?
It's just second largest gold company in the world, and they had good earnings, and they're a dividend, and I wanted to put it in our portfolio to go long as a hedge.
You want to be long gold.
Yes.
SOS, we're long this stock. We have 65,000 shares. We had 125,000. We sold most of it above 440. This, like crypto, is just pulling back. We already covered U.S. Concrete.
Full disclosure time.
Skills.
not to pay the bills.
This stock, Jason, let's talk about the short position here.
Let's look at here.
In the last month, it's down 250. In the last 6 months, it's up 331. In the last 5 days, it's down $1.91. And the last day, it's down. What is it? Only down 5 cents.
Yeah, after hours it's down more. Kathy bought 3 million more. She has like 13 million in the ARC fund.
Year to date, down 279.
She's down 10%.
Skill's not performing, but they had a great quarter, right?
Yes, blowout. Earnings, guidance, everything. So, Skills is infested with shorts. I'm going to show you.
Pulling it up.
Yeah. Okay. They're getting destroyed. Nick, go ahead. You can see the short percentages, like over 50%, and it's been consistent.
62.87, 64, 64, 57.
They're pounding this thing. Is our
Wow.
chat not working? It feels like an easy refresh or something. Skills is getting obliterated by shorts. One more thing. So you see that, right? Everybody saw that. Now, let me show you one more thing. Bear with me here. We're just showing you little tricks here. Okay. This is Interactive Brokers allocation for short shares. You're trying to get an allocation to go short. Okay. Nick, you got that up. 1.4 million available right now. Borrow rate is dirt cheap. 3.
Well, I told you, Peloton was up to 87.
Right?
It's crushed 78.
Oh my God.
God, hey, for full disclosure, we're short Peloton.
Look,
And,
go ahead, keep talking. I wanted
is
to
this?
show. So it looks like some shorts did cover today because they returned another 1,000,001. So yeah, you can get. I mean, why wouldn't you just short Skills at 3%? 1.4 million available. Total volume today on Skills. I'm just kind of dissecting this thing. Let's take a look at Skills real quick. You wonder why it's getting pummeled. 28 million volume today. Average volume 19. A lot of shorts did cover. Look at the 5-minute chart. Actually finished up pretty good today, consolidating into the bell. Keep an eye on this. If I were a betting man, I would think Skills starts to recover.
In the audience, they're asking if the interview for the CEO interview is next week, not this week. And I'm looking forward to it. I'm hearing positive rumblings. They're looking for acquisition candidates. So I got to be honest with you. I'm not happy with the price of Naked, but I am. I'm optimistic they're going to do something. They're going to do something in retail.
Nick, one more time. It's 52 pennies a share right now. 52 pennies.
Yeah.
Come on.
I just think there's a lot of overhang from all that stock that was issued, right?
Oh yeah, for sure.
And
But I mean, look at IBIO is to the moon right now. Like
Is
I'm
it?
getting FOMO. Yeah.
where's it at?
I mean, I know it's probably over $2. These guys are going
I don't
nuts.
see it. I see it at $1.82.
Okay, $1.82. That's fine. But the float is large. 213 million.
IBIO.
Yeah, but it just goes to show you, though, after hours, you can still make something move pretty well with a lot of buying pressure. So it doesn't really matter what the float is.
You know what I got long today we didn't bring up? Can you put in HNST there?
What is it?
HNST?
Yeah, dial it up.
It's an IPO of the Honest Company, Jessica Alba. HNST.
There it is.
So this has been around for a whopping 2 days. Yesterday hit, I think, 27. Today I bought it right around here. Well, God, it was down $3. So it rocketed up pretty nicely and gave back $3 today. That's even down in the aftermarket. Does anybody know anything about the Honest Company at all? So this guy, Hudson Trader, IBIO toxicology study. Come on, guys. You know what that is. Total PR,
Of course.
They will do the same every penny biotech except a share. H.C. Wainwright, be careful. Yeah,
Of course, they'll probably do an offering tomorrow.
Yeah, probably do
in
an
my
offering
opinion.
tomorrow.
Who knows? It's not like I'm going to marry the
Who
thing.
is this one? Thoughts on BORQ? Is that Bork?
B-O-R-Q?
Is that Bork International?
I'm going to tell you. B-O-R-Q.
Naked 10.56% estimated short interest of the free float.
Bork Tech?
So the CEO is meeting and confirmed next Tuesday. Yes, it's next week.
Bork Technologies?
Yeah. He's asking about Bork.
That's a China-based company.
Yep.
Software,
Yep.
service.
Yep.
Huh.
Yep.
You brought up corn again.
Corn.
Corn.
Did we husk any corn today? What's corn at? Like
What did
22?
corn do today? He's probably going to rub it in
Where we
our
at?
face.
22 a bushel rolling? 22.60 a bushel. Damn. It's a lot of GMO.
Corn husker man.
I'm imagining a lot of the people in the chat are buying the dip on NAKD. Just speculation. I'm just thinking they're liking these cheapies. Let me know if you're buying any cheapies.
Let's go to the screen here. Corn
Corn.
continues to rise. Roland legitimately gave it to us at $20.
What about wheat?
Next will be sugar. Wow.
I like copper still. Remember copper.
This guy says DPW taking the same pounding as the rest of the stocks did today as well.
Yeah, small caps.
I can't comment on DPW.
No, but small caps.
But I happen to be the executive chairman. All right, what are we doing here?
Whatever you want to do. It's your show.
Well, thank you so much, man. I appreciate
So
it.
helpful.
What'd you say?
I said so helpful.
I know he's really helpful here.
Wow. Yankees suck.
Let's pull up Peloton real quick. Can you do that for me?
What's the ticker?
PLTN? PTON.
Did you cover?
DO. No, I'm short.
Booyah.
79.
79.
So let's pull this chart up. Okay, so when you look at Peloton, I'm gonna go back to the 1 year. Okay, so this was a reopening stock for sure, or a pandemic stock for sure, right? This thing was $177. This thing has massively rolled over. They announced a recall yesterday. Year to date down $62. 6 month down 16. 1 month down 31. 5 day down 13. 1 day up $1.16 before they announced earnings. This guy's asking me to buy more naked.
What'd you short that at?
I shorted it to 85.
85?
Yeah, 84, 85.
Orange,
And
yellow.
then I wrote the put so people could put it to me at 80. So this is out. We're going to be out of this position tomorrow for sure.
Yep.
And look at this thing rallied in the aftermarket on great earnings, and then boom, they crushed it. Can we go back to that chart and pull that up there? Okay, you can see it right there. Look at this. This is aftermarket, and then this is Wobbly. So for full disclosure, we're short a little Peloton. Devon Wright. Any news on MDRR that can be discussed, public knowledge that might have missed? It's almost like Devon knows what I'm thinking. Pretty scary, right?
What is that?
He's asking about.
Oh yeah, I was looking at the
MDRR.
Flarn Network. Alt, why not buy more naked?
Yeah.
Naked on discount, Papa Gorilla.
That
Dude, it's
stock
going to be
trades
buy
like-
one, get one free on naked soon.
Well, they are a retailer, right?
Yeah. They got coupons.
You wear any Heidi Klum stuff, Skyla?
No,
You got a Groupon coupon for NAKD?
I don't know.
What if it doesn't hold 50 cents?
Besides Zaffle, where's your favorite place to shop?
TJ Maxx, because the deals.
The woman is related to my wife.
Personally, I
Christy
want
and
to
I
see.
love TJ Maxx.
Yes. Well, so does Andrea.
Sure.
I want to see what 50 cents. When 50 cents in play at naked, what happens?
Yeah, I mean, the interesting thought about naked is the farther it falls, the kind of more trading takes place. Kind of gets more exciting for people if there's going to be a play. Listen, I don't know what's going to happen with Naked, but here's my thoughts, right? You raise that much capital, you have that much incentive for the CEO and the management team. Don't you think they're going to do something?
Somebody knows something.
Is it a waiting game, you think?
I don't know what they're waiting for.
Well, they're waiting to probably identify a candidate to purchase, right?
I mean,
if you look at BTX, they did a reverse merger. That was NTN Buzz time.
yeah, into a biotech.
And then boom, the thing went crazy.
What do you suggest Naked does? Do a reverse merger?
No, I
into
think they'll probably merge with somebody, and then there'll be new exciting news, right? Wouldn't that be the logical conclusion?
Well, I want to see if it holds the 200 moving day. 46. Somebody probably mentioned this. 46 and a half, 47-ish. Naked, you better hold 47. Okay. End of my rant.
So, Krispy Kreme.
Oh, yeah, Alpha said it. Jason, it can go to 4. Yeah, you're right. Alpha, you nailed that. 46.5. Yep.
Let's move on to the next segment here. IPO. Krispy Kreme filed for an IPO. JAB Holding. This is
I
a
love
big...
Krispy Kreme donuts.
I know. I could eat a Krispy
God,
Kreme
when I was
donut
living
right
in
now.
North Carolina, they would be 24 hours a day, nice warm Krispy Kreme donuts. Just roll up after a poker session,
Ready
grab a couple
right
of
away.
glazed. Yeah, man.
And they just melt in your mouth, right?
So
and they
good.
got kind of crazy before they went bankrupt.
Yeah.
They kind of overexpanded, right? Do you remember what the lines used to be for Krispy Kreme?
Oh, ridiculous.
Because didn't they start in North Carolina?
They'd have like that little sign or whatever, hot or whatever. They'd have like a
Hot now.
Yeah, hot now.
Because they were like
God.
making them right then on that
So
where they flip
great.
them over and they're in the oil and they're going public. What do you think of that? They were took private for $1.35 billion in 2016 by JAB Holding Company. They're a big like coffee,
Yeah.
like a huge consumer brand holder, and they're going to spin them off and bring them public.
So they're IPOing traditionally, huh?
Yeah, a traditional IPO, not a SPAC.
I mean, that's rare.
Can you bring that up on the screen real quick? Or you already did that, right? Okay, good. You did that.
Oh,
right.
they were already, when I was prepping the show, they saw that one. They got all happy about the Krispy Kreme donuts, just like I did.
Oh, really?
So, yeah, for sure.
Want to talk about the economic calendar?
Oh, yeah, it's part of the good day in the market today was jobless claims. It's a pretty big factor. And today they were looking for 533,000 new jobless claims to be filed. And actually, there were only 498,000 new jobless claims filed. So that was a good beat for the economy.
4-week moving average, 560,000.
So, yeah,
Not bad.
that was the big, Thursdays are the big jobless claim. So that's all I had there.
We're not ranting tonight, are we?
Not really. We had a red day, and we're handling it well.
Are we?
My baseball plays are getting smoked. We're just losing. We're just hemorrhaging money today.
I don't know if you guys got a chance to see this. I saw part of it with Hannity last night. Let's pull it up on the screen. Caitlyn Jenner, she did an interview with Hannity. Did you get a chance to see it?
Not yet. I'm going to watch it.
Skyla, did you watch it?
No, I didn't.
Did anybody watch it in the crowd?
Oh, well, maybe.
Well, I thought it was interesting to see this. Pretty credible. I mean, do you think this has a chance? Do you think that Caitlyn Jenner has a chance?
Yeah, this special election in the fall, for sure.
It's an interesting process here. I'm kind of mesmerized by the whole thing.
She will have the bankroll. She'll get a lot of funding.
Yep.
And she is, what's cool is she is, I guess, slightly right.
Slightly right.
But she is pretty moderate. So that might play well in California. People that are sick of the extreme left policies. Yes. I think she has a fighting chance. Yeah, IBIO.
IBIO.
$2 and change. Ah.
Yeah,
Okay,
What do you
okay.
want to do?
Well,
I saw that.
let's go back to it.
In the. Hold on a second. It was who said that about IBIO? I want to acknowledge. Was it Justin?
IBIO.
Oh, Justin retracted his message.
Ripper.
Oh.
Ripper 208, ripping, volume pouring in, 5 minute. Oh, here we go. Let's change to the 1 minute candle. This thing's getting enough volume after hours. We can just look at the 1 minute candle. 209. Level 2 is active. You ever watch Level 2 after hours? It's usually pretty boring. Somebody wants in at 208, 32,000 bid. There's a wall at 210 that's about to get eaten, in my opinion. If it breaks 210, watch out. And you know it's early after
IBO
hours.
is on the move.
Yeah.
I'd be careful there. She's a terrible driver, though.
Who is?
Caitlyn Jenner, I think.
Oh, is she?
Right.
Well, so is Venus Williams. Or was it Serena?
Hudson Trader? That name Hudson Trader. That screen name seems familiar to me. Dirty Harry.
Oh, it just busted 210.
I love all these people.
Did you
I
buy-
love all these people in the chat. It's really amazing.
Hey,
let's go. Can we spend a little more time with the audience today?
215.
Hey, those of you who are watching the show and you see us a little more somber, Jason and I are kind of taking a little bit of a break. We've actually hedged the portfolio out, and so we're really kind of flat. We do have some big positions, and we just bought some U.S. concrete today. But we're kind of flat, a little bit of somber. What do you think, Skylar? Are we somber today?
I don't know. You seem real quiet today. Usually,
Not getting enough sleep.
There's two walls here.
Yeah, he's talking about trading, right?
Oh.
But I want to spend a little more time with the audience. And look at this here. Devon Wright.
XRP. Remember there
Opinions
was
on
going to
SRP in the case. Has there been any developments in that case? Because there were some amazing rulings on the XRP case. Do you know if there's any developments at all?
I haven't seen any.
Can we look that up real quick?
Wow, Spud is in there.
What?
Spud.
I want to go to audience questions. Someone else put, what, $4.99? Devon Wright. Wow.
Thanks, Devon. I
Love this
appreciate
guy.
that,
Thank
man.
you
That's
so much.
awesome. You didn't have to do that.
Can we, do you mind real quickly if we go to the audience?
Go to the audience.
someone brought up ticker BRQS. Do you know what that is? You familiar with that? 89 Costa.
Hey, hold on. What's going on here?
Wow, 17.
Hold on here.
What's that?
EH.
What about it?
Look at that.
We were long that before.
It got destroyed.
That's a Chinese. Todd, are you in the Telegram chat? I'm not, but Jason is.
Dude, IBIO is a monster. 218. What? Do we got?
Yeah, we have it, dude.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to sell a little bit.
Sell some. 218. 225 next resistance, IBIO. Wow.
But one of the guys in the chat is saying,
yeah, I'm in Telegram.
Todd, can you please talk about the short selling thing and how the SEC is dealing with it? I know what he's referring to, right?
Yeah, I know what he's talking about.
Can we cover? I will look for Devon. I'll look for to see if there's any developments in. Where is XRP? Can you look it up real quick?
215 at 10K. 10K, 215 sell 10K. I'll look up Ripple. XRP, news. 215, 13,000 you can sell. All right, let's see what we got here. Ripple news.
Gosh, darn it.
Fat finger. Dude, misclicking, costing us.
Well, it's not easy, dude.
No pressure. Oh
Yeah,
my
and
God,
SEC
somebody
stock
just sold
moves.
it.
Yeah, whatever, man. They're listening to you. SEC Rule 802. I saw this the other day. There's so many changes going on here. SEC Rule 802.
How the XRP community replied to the SEC's, quote, shady move. This was 3 weeks ago. Let's see. Ripple Labs. That's the technical name, the official name. Brad Garlinghouse, Chris Larson.
No, but I'm more concerned about where's the price right now.
Oh. Here, I can just look right here. XRP.
Rule 802. That's 801, you mean?
Ripple's $1.60 on Bitfinex.
Up. How is that performing?
It's up 2% today. Daily chart. It went to $1.96 in early April.
I see. Right, the rule you're referring to is going to pass tomorrow. I have to get myself familiar with it. Jason, he's asking about it too. Rule 802. This is about short selling. Papa Gorilla, can you guys talk about Rule 802?
Sure. What's this have to do with the liquidity for brokerages to have?
Yeah, there's been so many changes. I have not paid a lot of attention to it. I have a friend who runs a broker dealer, and he's been. Oh my God! You put this up here. Oh my God!
Dude,
I
it was
follow this
awesome.
guy. I follow this.
He's
guy.
back, and now he's got a book deal.
Oh, I follow this guy.
Love that guy.
We're going to talk about that. I want to get to some viewer questions. So can you write this down? Rule 802, ruling that's going to happen tomorrow. I got to read all these things. Papa Gorilla. Let's see here. You include but not include limited to e-commerce platform, body scan, art intelligence. In general, what's the CEO when he gets stuck? It's Chris Transparency. NASDAQ rules.
Rule 802.
XRP at $1.80. Resistance, careful. It's floating. Just speculation. Can we scan back for...
Can we...
I don't think we got filled. No, we didn't get filled.
It's okay.
I completely missed out. It's hard to run a show and trade at the same time.
What's the average? Yeah, modify it. All right.
It had a run, man.
Yeah. Still getting volume.
Is it?
Yeah.
It was a good trade.
Still getting volume. Consolidate 1 minute.
That's where it is right now. I'm going to talk to him about the share count for sure. I'm definitely going to talk to how many shares are fully outstanding. I understand they're going to be reporting their K, and a lot of that information for Naked is going to be in the 10K. And does anybody know what day they're going to be putting that? Because I'm understanding that's like imminent, like in the next couple days. Yeah, we are trading live.
Yeah, we're trading live. That's why we're slow
That's exactly
right now.
right. We trade live, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I'd actually like to see if I can get permission to trade live actually on the monitor. What do you think, Skylight, if I could have the monitor
Yeah,
for
I think
showing
that would be super
the
cool.
trading live? That would be a great. Historically, the 14th, and that's what I'm hearing. That's Dardura. Is that right? Is how you say that name?
Yeah.
Dardura? That's a doctor, right?
Yeah.
Dr. Dardura? It's the 10K, but it's a foreign company, so it's like a 10K. It's a different 10K. I should know this by now. I've been doing this for so long. It's a different, like an S10K or something. It's a foreign 10K.
Dip entry, IVIO.
Yeah, you weren't able to get filled there.
It will.
Yeah, it's okay.
Just give it
Concrete.
Just give it a minute. Just let it cool off. RSI is like 10 million. All right.
All right, so here we go. We're still on viewer questions.
Concrete's ripping. Everybody needs cement. Let's get some questions.
Doesn't bother us. The volume's low. What was the volume today for Naked?
It was. Oh, I'm sure it was low. The hodlers aren't going anywhere. Hold on. Hodl on, please. Hodl. Oh wow.
Todd
48
Ault,
million.
Milton. You guys can just call me Todd, by the way.
Hey, listen. Naked had half the average 3-month volume. 48 million shares
It just trades a lot in
exchanged.
that range, right? Hey, do I have any more viewer questions that are important to you guys? Because I'd like to get to them before we move to the next segment.
You guys didn't cover that ticker.
What ticker
What
is that?
ticker?
Let me find it.
It's Bork, right? I'm not gonna.
What do you want to say about this?
Nothing.
BRQS. Yeah.
BRQS.
I feel like someone knows.
Yeah. Weird. Really weird. I mean, I know they're building a new plant, a new manufacturing facility. I know that the
BROQ? What's the symbol for it?
BRQS, right?
Yes.
Are you sure? Because it's coming up on OTC here.
BRQS.
Look at what it's doing.
Borks.
Look what it's doing. It's coming up as OTC. This is the warrants or something.
Yeah, that's got to be the warrants.
BOR.
BRQS.
I know, but I'm going to put in the whole name.
Oh. BORQS.
See what it says? OTC markets.
Weird. Clearly a NASDAQ stock at 92 cents.
Mm-hmm.
Down 9% today.
Why are you asking about BRQS? And whoever's asking it.
Who is that? Devon?
No.
I don't know who's asking. The DD. Hold on. Go back to that. We'll go back. I want to see that. Go back up. There's DD on Naked stock and Think Naked acquires Borks. Something about CEO has a position there. Listen, if you see the S1, I know why they're asking. I think our name's in that deal. If you see the S3, I understand the Naked CEO may have a position, but I don't think that has anything to do with Naked. So only comment I'm going to make is look at the filing. I don't think that that's relevant. Todd, did you sell your BTX? I have sold the balance of my BTX. I filed the 13D, and I sold the balance of the BTX recently in the last few weeks. So BTX had a big run. It was a crazy run.
That was an insane run to 90 plus.
Yeah, big short squeeze.
Yeah, that was insane.
We don't tend to talk about winners or losers. We talk about what we're doing. We're trying to be transparent, but sometimes when we file a 13D, it's harder to have disclosure because we tell the market we're going to influence the company until we file a 13D telling them we're not going to. It's not as easy, but I'll bring it up. BTX, which I did have a 13D filing on, back to 39 today. I guess if I appealed to everyone's logic here.
That's insane.
Let's bring this chart up real quick. Could you do it again real quick? Logically, do you think if it was $4, it should have went to 90 in that short a period of time? Yeah, I would be cautious here.
Yeah.
But we're out. Yeah, we're out for sure. We enjoyed that. That was very profitable. Well, thank you.
Yep.
Just like SSY, I know that that's on a play. I filed a 13D position on SSY. I actually was interested in buying the company. And I filed the 13D. And you got to go look back a little ways because I filed the 13D when it was $2 right here in January. And it's had several spikes. So I'm enjoying...
That was a fun.
I've been filing 13Ds and trying to take over companies for a long time. I purchased Franklin Capital in 2004. I took control of that at 90 cents. It went to 22.75. I have probably filed or went activist on, or been involved in activist positions on probably 10, 15 companies. At one point when I took over DPW, it went from 55 cents to 5.95. They can be very lucrative positions, but when I took over DPW, I made it clear to everyone that's a long-term holding company for me, so I've never sold a share of DPW. Can you please look into VYNT?
I'm looking at it.
Post 30% short, 2.8 million in the float, cancer stock.
Float 7.5 million.
I got to be honest with you. I hope everybody out there. I'm thinking of having a Vegas conference, and I would invite all of you to come. I'm not joking. I think it's so wonderful that you guys are all on the chat. You guys all have all stock ideas. You like to share ideas. I'm really liking Armada Trading, Papa Gorilla, The Dirty. All these names are just incredible. Devon Wright, Ravi, all these people. What do you think about someday? I know it's not probably easy right now, but what do you think about someday, Skyla, having a conference here where we get a conference room, invite them all down.
I think a lot of people would show
book
up. Book
rooms. Have speakers come in, talk about what we're trading.
I think that would be great and very interesting.
Yeah,
good
and it's a great reason to come to Vegas, by the way. I just think I am so excited about the number of people. You know what I care about? I just care that people care about what we care about, right? You know, the reason why I founded Alzheimer's Neuro is because I want to help people with Alzheimer's, like my father, right?
Yeah.
The reason why I do this show is I want to talk about risk and how I made money and how I made it. And I didn't graduate college. You know, I have haters out there. It's part of life. I have people that care about me. I care about making people money. I care about talking about this. This show's going to get better. I know we're lagging a little bit. We got some research analysts going to come on to help us produce some stuff. We're going to start interviewing people like we did with Armada Trading. We're going to have more interviews, more information. So Jason and I'm pumped. You've got a great analytical mind. I'd love for you to show people some of the tools that you're using. I think we're going to get to that. We'll eventually cover them. Let's look at this cancer stock. VYNT.
VYNT. Let's read the profile. Formerly Cancer Genetics Inc., is a biotech drug discovery company. The company is engaged in identifying molecule therapeutics and decision-making through its silico, in vitro, and in vivo modalities. It offers analytics platform, which analyzes functional data to identify the drug candidates, targets, and biomakers via a rank order approach.
How do I pronounce this person's name? Shavin?
Shervin.
Shervin?
Shervin, the
Sakni? I'm so sorry if I say it wrong.
Shervin, the float looks to be about
He says 2.8
$7.5
million.
million here. What
Right.
am I missing?
See, Scott, could you do me a favor? Do you have a pen or somewhere you can write this down? Every name that comes up now, from now on, I want to keep a list of them.
Okay.
Can
well,
you-
the comments are still here afterwards, so I can go back after
I want
the
you
show
to pull
and
up
check.
every single name so we can look at them. Because I really feel like we need to make sure we're going to
got 'em.
cover these names. What?
Yes.
We got them.
Okay, good.
Okay, great. That's great,
Everyone
Josh.
that's in the chat that wants to participate, we got them, and they can always text community.
Yeah, excellent. They can text community.
Yeah, that's a better way.
Can we pull Josh up real quick? Hey, Josh, let's talk about how we would get them to communicate with us text-wise. Can they? What do they do? Can they text community to tell us how they can ask for what stocks they want to cover, and we can get a list a little bit ahead of time and let Patrick, one of our analysts, pull this stuff up. We have 3 analysts joining us this summer,
Yeah.
all from pretty educated places,
Yeah.
I mean, really good schools.
Yes.
And I'd love to be able to look at this stuff.
This,
yeah, if they just use our number.
949-799-1831, 949-799-1831, 949-799-1831, and text what?
Anything.
Anything.
But if they say risk on, then they'll get notifications about risk on as well. But if they text anything, you're getting all of those.
I
So
noticed
you'll
you
see
probably got. I
every
noticed
person.
someone yesterday texted you in the text in YouTube that the CEO was a fat and then the F word and then the F word again, right? And then you just
Yeah.
deleted that.
Right.
Right. I wonder, do you think that hater just figured out that I was overweight and he's letting everyone know?
it's possible.
I
But
mean, no one noticed before this guy, right?
He just wanted to reinforce
Anyways,
it.
we pay attention to everything you say here. So we
Everything.
read every text, we read every email, we read every blog. We want to know what you're saying, and we accept that people hate us too, and people like us. But this cancer genetics,
They had a loss in 2020.
I know, but I
about-
want to look at this because you know what's happening lately?
Go ahead.
You've been the king of this stuff. You got me in stuff that's like $1 and it goes to 10.
Yeah.
Because something's developing. There's a couple biotechs that
CLBS has 3 years of cash. They have earnings today. I got to listen to that call.
AEZS, is it AEZS?
AEZS.
AEZS and CLBS. Jason has us in. We're large. For full disclosure, we have 155,000 CLBS and we have 250,000 AEZS. And Jason, those have cash for the next 3 years. So
3
when we
years.
look at a stock that's in biotech, we look and see how much cash they have, when will they need to do a different offering,
Yeah.
what do they have on the horizon, right?
The pipeline, the small tech biocaps, the burn rate is very important. Like this VYNT, the market cap is like 35 million. They lost 8.6 million net.
Heavy in R&D, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So Josh, everyone knows then, Josh, that Papa Gorilla $4.99, rolling $5. Congratulations
going on
on
here?
25,000 subscribers. Nice work, y'all. I will cook. Oh, hey,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, that is a great idea.
Yes.
Papa Gorilla comes out here. We have a conference. He cooks.
Yes.
Anybody,
That
would
be
what a great
amazing.
idea.
Naked
Oh,
Army
that's
and
awesome.
Papa Gorilla cooks. Maybe we even have like a fun poker tournament at one of the poker rooms here. We
Oh,
could-
for sure.
Like a charity or something. Half
No,
goes.
no. Let's play poker.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, I love this idea.
This is a good
Oh,
idea.
this is good. It's getting good.
You guys play poker? All right.
We're going to Vegas. Everyone says, yeah, for sure. Hell yeah.
Okay.
I'm all over that. I'm from Morocco. Hold on. Slow down. Hold on. I am from Alpha Generation. I am from Morocco. USA too far of my league. Oh, no. Hey. Why is it too far?
Why, man?
Maybe I'll buy you a ticket.
North Africa to here. We can
Maybe
do
I'll
it.
buy you a ticket. That may not be a bad idea. That's not too far from you. Prices are going up. Your name is associated with it. What does
Oh, I
that
see
say?
what- No, I know what he's saying.
What's that mean?
Fly Mudda Trucker. He's saying that when you file 13Ds, sharp people are following them and then they're planning their plan. They're trading their plan accordingly. That's what he's saying. I think.
Yeah,
Is that what you're saying?
Listen, if you look at 13D filings, that's the one thing that I have actually a fairly decent record with.
That's a good idea. Sorry,
What?
I didn't mean to cut you off. Caesar.
I know. I just saw that. I was gonna bring it up.
I got to get Caesar. Caesar.
That's a good idea,
For
Caesar.
fair disclosure, though, Caesar's coming to work with us, so he's a cheater because Caesar used to work for me before, and he's coming back to work. He's actually moving to Vegas.
Let's go, Brandon.
Brandon
That's a great
Barnes.
idea, though.
Are you
Fly
talking
2
about?
people in on the 100th
All
episode?
right, you talked me into a Vegas trip. Well, I mean, it's going to open up, and we could get here. We could listen.
Oh
we
my
could,
God, Patrick just said alt army.
That's fine. we could put on the show. We could do our own our show, right? I mean, why could we not do that?
Of course.
There's no reason why we shouldn't. We totally should.
Oh, I love the idea. Wouldn't it be great?
I would love
It'd
it.
be fun, and we'd give away gifts and get everyone here. I have guest speakers. I have a lot. We got Brad and other people speak.
Oh yeah, they'd
be
love
great.
that. Yeah.
Right? I want to do this. It'd be fun. It'd be fun to get everyone together.
All
Have
right.
great food, great poker. Jason,
This is where are we going up or down, buddy? The moment of truth.
where is it right now?
This is IBIO.
Maybe people can do
For $2.
exclusive tickets to play poker with you guys, like an exclusive ticket thing, and then you guys can have a poker night.
Yeah, we'll put a
Like-
bounty on Todd, like 1 Ethereum or something.
Yeah,
It'll be if you knock Todd
Look
out
at
of the
he's
tournament.
like 4,000 people. You guys are crazy.
4,000.
We're not-
That's the entire
Since the
Telegram.
ultimate. Come on, man. We can't get all 4,000 of them.
No.
But if you did it in advance, it would be fun, right?
That would be crazy.
The Morocco guy, last night I was I got a ton of miles on my Delta. I got beyond miles, like 1 million miles on Delta. And I still have 469,000. Let's get big. Let's get big and pump low floaters. No,
my
no, don't
God.
say that. We don't. I don't pump them. I buy them. That's.
Yeah.
Come on. Why would you not be able to talk about what you like? I want to get to something very quickly here. This is incredible. Okay, see this guy right here, this viral TikTok guy.
I wish we could show his video.
Oh, it was so great. So he made a video totally ripping on LeBron.
Here's the backstory.
Go.
LeBron went out and it just flipped out and put a tweet out, and then he ended up deleting it, basically saying that the Columbus, Ohio police officer who actually used deadly force to stop one girl from stabbing another girl, they just happened to be both African American, but he put LeBron was calling for basically the head of that officer, but then he deleted the tweet. Well, now this officer put out a TikTok that was really good, talking about asking permission from LeBron if there was a deadly force scenario, to save someone's life.
He was like, LeBron, let me call Michael.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
so
Yeah,
funny.
let me call Michael Jordan.
It was a funny piece, and I think his department banned him for a week.
They suspended him for this.
The department did.
Yeah.
They suspended what he did, and then he got a book deal.
He got a book deal.
He's got all kinds of situations
Yeah.
going on. He's back on TikTok. I follow him. He's back on TikTok last night.
Yeah. So
And so we're trying to get him on the show.
let's get him on the show.
Yeah, for sure.
That's Nate Sylvester out of Idaho.
Yeah, I liked it a lot. This is a really good story.
I mean-
Todd, buy Anna a free ticket. She puts hard work. I'll buy Anna. Okay, done. Anna, I'm buying you a free ticket. Where are you from? Where's Anna from?
She's from out of the country.
I'll buy Anna a free ticket. I will fly Anna to Las Vegas from anywhere in the world. I'm not joking.
Anna, I'll talk to you on Telegram.
I will buy, in fact, I will put together a budget. And if there are people around the world, we'll all talk about who should come.
This
and
is
we'll
Anna
invite
right
them.
here.
All right, Anna.
She gave us the questions for Justin.
We'll buy you we're going to buy you a ticket.
Okay, Anna, I'm texting you right now.
Hot the blue line. Hold the blue line.
Hold the thin blue line.
Flight attendants, but lost job with Corona. Not trying to trade because I'm degree in finance.
Done.
So why not?
Anna, done. Check
Right.
your DMs.
Anna done for sure. Dirty Harry. I love all this. Okay, the show's almost over. Hey, we appreciate everybody. Thank you guys so much. We'll talk about that show. We got the Naked CEO next week. We have some guests lining up, so this will be fun. Interesting day today. Hope all of you didn't lose money. I did lose some money today because I'm just down. Some of my positions were down from yesterday.
Yeah.
We mark our positions to the market every day, so we look at every position in our portfolio. We ask ourselves why we own it. Hey, we're grateful for you guys. We got to wrap up here. It is the 6th of May. It's my brother's birthday. Happy birthday to Neil and Brennan. We appreciate you guys so much. Love you guys. Really, we do. Skylar, jokes? Any jokes quickly?
How's marijuana stock sold on the stock market?
How?
You buy high, sell higher.
Okay, that's it.
Nice.
Jason, myself, Josh. Thanks for being on here, Josh. Nick and Brett, everybody, Willie, the team, the Naked Army, Skyla, nice joke. You buy high and sell higher. We'll see you tomorrow.